In the ASD course, my experience has been definitely it's challenging my current standards of care, making me realize some of the things that maybe have been doing incorrectly or could be doing better and more efficiently. So definitely the information is helpful for me to be able to take back and apply right away.
I'm a contractor background, so I'm developing the mitigation division in my company right now. So I'm learning everything that I have to get going with the ASD class. I'm enjoying a lot. A great, opportunity to be here, learning with the best people. It's a nice class, fun. I'm enjoying big time.
Well, I've been doing this for a long time, so it was just stuff that I was doing out of experience, and I also have a commercial drawing specialist class certification. So it was a combination of experience and that. But with the class, now everything that I was doing makes sense.
Oh, okay.
And, and I do understand there's probably some operational things I need to change within our company.
Okay.
That probably are causing us to make a lot of mistakes that we're losing money on insurance-wise, because obviously if your readings are not right, that's one of the things you learn, how to document all of that.
Prior to this course, I have my WRT certification and my mold remediation certification. However, I've always taken I've taken the readings, kind of understood somewhat why we're taking them, but really not understanding why there is such an in-depth understanding of why we take the readings and how they are applied, how they can actually be changed and altered to effectively drive quicker.
As a contractor, my field was about demoing everything. Just take everything out and rebuild. Mm-hmm. So now I'm learning that we can save materials.
Oh.
We can, be less aggressive on the demo side and try to save material, remove the water, do the extraction and the evaporation, and be more successful in both sides, mitigation and construction.
Something else I want to look at is remote monitoring. We do very big commercial losses where we could have at a time 300 pieces of equipment, and desiccants running and whatnot, but sending an employee to monitor that, especially 1 or 2 people to monitor the whole job, could take 8 hours. I think we're better off sending them to check on the equipment and see the condition of the equipment and if any adjustments need to be made. But as far as keeping readings, I think remotely is the way to go.
So this is my second class, and honestly the reason I chose to come back as quickly as I did also is because not only to get my certification, but also because of the resources and the people that are available here to not only help you during the class, but also after the class as well.
After talking to JP, I see he knows a lot of stuff that could be useful, at least reaching out to him too as well. So that's another resource I've been able to gain through the class, knowing that I got somebody I can call if I need, or I have a problem that I need, at least some type of solution or some type of direction of what I should be doing.
I was able to utilize some of the professional staffing here at RTI to not only improve my procedures, but also, as I have had questions or ran into different situations, I've been able to reach out, and they've been phenomenal.
That's the hands-on is big time. It's big because you can actually see and do it yourself.
Okay.
So you can, the hands-on is the best way to learn.
All right.
I love that.
Awesome.
I think that it's definitely something where if you're looking to really grow your business and become more, more entrenched in the actual field and understanding how why we do the things we do, then this is something you definitely don't want to miss.
It was actually a good experience. Great food.
Yay! Okay.
If you're on the fence about taking any courses, with RTI, I would say don't hesitate, because of the fact, again, if even though you might take some information from the course, because there's a lot of information that's given to us, but at the same time, having the network of professionals and other business owners is just huge. That in itself is worth every bit of time and even financial investment in any courses you can take.
Most of all, everybody was very welcoming. It's just, I feel like I'm right at home. So, and I think that's a big part of learning, because you can't learn in an uncomfortable environment. So with the type of environment that there is here, people are friendly, people are ready to respond to your questions if you have any questions. It enhances your learning.
Please come as fast as you can.